Hi, in this video we're going to learn about a specific mental strategy in order to add and subtract two numbers called partitioning. By the end of this video you should be able to use this partitioning technique to help you to add or subtract certain numbers in your head. Let's have a look at what it is. Partitioning is just adding or subtracting numbers that have the same place value. I have 4 examples up on the screen and we're going to go through each one of them and how to use partitioning to add them together. You might just be able to look at them and get the answer, but I'm trying to show you a new technique if you haven't seen it before. Let's start with 53 plus 21. What we want to do first is to add the tens columns together. That's the 50 and the 20 to make 70. Then what we want to do is add the units column, the 3 and the 1 together to get 4. All of this is done in your head. Adding the 70 and the 4 together gives us 74, and we've added it in our heads. This next example is 89 take away 24. Again, we want to get the 80 and the 20 and we want to subtract that to get 60, and then we want to look at the 9 and the 4 and subtract those to get 5. Putting them together gives us 65. Don't subtract that 60 and that 5, we're actually putting those two answers together. For question number 3, we have two different size numbers, 135 and 21. It's important that we add the columns of the same place value and not anything else. So to start with, we have the 100 from the 135. That'll stay as it is. Then we have the 30 and the 20 that we want to add together to get 50, and the 5 and the 1 together gives us 6. Putting those 3 together gives us 156. Again, this is all done in your head, no paper, no pen. The last example we're going to look at is 168 take away 37. We start with the 100 from the 168. We then take the 60 and subtract the 30, and that gives us 30. And then we take the 8 and subtract the 7, and that gives us 1. All in all, we get 131. Take some time to summarize these questions. Try some yourself that are similar, change a couple of the digits, and maybe you can get some good use out of this partitioning technique. Hopefully now you know how to use this partitioning technique. Give it some practice, look at some of the examples in your text, or ask some questions tomorrow so I can help you out with this. Good luck.